2004 Bourget Blackjack Ace. Price, $8,750. Mileage, 1,320 miles. Location, Merritt Island, Florida. A rare 2004 Bourget Blackjack Ace, this custom cruiser is in like-new condition with only 1,320 miles on the odometer. Powered by a 113-inch S&S engine, it delivers impressive torque, smooth acceleration, and that deep, rumbling exhaust note every cruiser enthusiast loves. Designed with attention to detail, the Blackjack Ace combines classic chopper styling with modern performance, featuring a sleek black finish and custom components that make it a head-turner wherever it rides. Well-maintained and ready for the road, this motorcycle offers both style and performance for collectors or riders seeking a distinctive, high-quality ride with low miles and exceptional craftsmanship.
2004 Bourget Blackjack Ace. Price, $15,999. Mileage, 3,708 miles. Location, Jupiter, Florida. A rare 2004 Bourget Blackjack Ace chopper, this custom motorcycle combines low mileage with striking design and bold performance. With only 3,708 original miles and 2 owners, it's been exceptionally well cared for and is ready to hit the road. Powered by a smooth, powerful engine, this chopper delivers both strong torque and a thrilling riding experience, paired with a manual transmission for full control and engagement. Its sleek silver finish highlights the custom craftsmanship, making it a true head-turner that blends classic chopper style with modern reliability. Perfect for collectors or riders looking for a distinctive, high-quality motorcycle, the Blackjack Ace offers attitude, performance, and show-stopping presence on every ride. 2021 Can-Am Ryker 900. Price, $10,500. Mileage, 2,800 miles. Location, Orlando, Florida. A sporty and versatile 2021 Can-Am Ryker 900. This 3-wheeled motorcycle offers an exciting ride with stability and style. Powered by a responsive 900 cubic centimeters engine, it delivers smooth acceleration and confident handling, perfect for both city streets and open roads. With only 2,800 miles and 2 previous owners, the Ryker is lightly used and in excellent condition. Its sleek black exterior and matching interior give it a modern, aggressive look, while its unique 3-wheel design ensures a fun, secure, and eye-catching ride. Ideal for riders seeking adventure, comfort, and performance all in one package, this Can-Am Ryker 900 is ready to hit the road and turn heads. 2009 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide. Price, $17,000. Mileage, 1,990 miles. Location, Hendersonville, North Carolina. A rare and striking 2009 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide, this three-wheeled cruiser combines stability, comfort, and classic Harley style. With only 1,990 miles, it's practically like new and features several upgrades, including an enhanced SS cam for smoother performance and improved power delivery. Finished in bold red, this Tri-Glide offers both eye-catching aesthetics and a comfortable, controlled ride, making it perfect for long-distance cruising or relaxed touring. Its manual transmission allows for engaging control, while the unique three-wheel design provides stability and confidence on the road. Ideal for riders seeking a low-mileage, upgraded Harley with character, this Tri-Glide is a standout choice for comfort, performance, and head-turning style. 2003 ASPT Thunder Cycle Chopper. Price, $8,500. Mileage, 1,500 miles. Location, Davie, Florida. A custom-built 2003 ASPT Thunder Cycle Chopper, this bike is designed to turn heads and deliver a thrilling ride. Powered by a 124 CI-SNS engine paired with a 6-speed Baker transmission, it offers smooth power delivery, strong torque, and precise control. Featuring a massive 260mm rear tire and a striking tan finish, it combines aggressive stance with classic chopper style. 2015 Harley-Davidson Street Glide 30-inch big wheel bagger. Price, $21,500. Mileage, 18,700 miles. Location, Cape Coral, Florida.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
A bold and striking 2015 Harley-Davidson Street Glide, fully custom-built as a 30-inch big wheel bagger, this bike blends modern style with classic Harley performance. Featuring a welded neck, fast air front and rear suspension, and a vibrant orange candy paint with custom accents, it offers a head-turning appearance that dominates the road. With 18,700 miles, the bike is lightly ridden and comes loaded with tons of extras that enhance both comfort and performance. Its manual transmission delivers precise control, while the custom build ensures a smooth, exhilarating ride. Perfect for enthusiasts looking for a show-stopping, modern take on a Harley, this Street Glide combines performance, style, and craftsmanship into one unforgettable motorcycle. 2003 Harley-Davidson Softail Warrior Chopper. Price, $12,995. Mileage, 2,906 miles. Location, Perkiomenville, Pennsylvania. This 2003 Harley-Davidson Softail Warrior Chopper is a spectacular example of American craftsmanship and high-performance engineering, designed to deliver both head-turning style and exhilarating performance. Powered by a 124-inch SNSV twin engine, it produces tremendous torque and a deep, unmistakable Harley growl that makes every ride an event. With only 2,906 miles, this motorcycle has barely been broken in, preserving the integrity of its components and ensuring a like-new experience for its next owner. The striking blue paint showcases the chopper's aggressive lines, low-slung stance, and intricate custom detailing, emphasizing its presence as a true showpiece on the road. Every curve and component reflects careful attention to design, making it a perfect blend of art and engineering. Built on a Softail frame, the bike offers a smooth, controlled ride while retaining the classic chopper attitude that enthusiasts love. 2011 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail. Price: $10,000 OBO. Mileage: 20,000 plus miles. Location: Daytona Beach, Florida. A meticulously maintained 2011 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail, this bike combines classic Harley styling with modern comfort and reliability. With just over 20,000 miles, it's been cared for by a Harley mechanic, ensuring every detail, from routine maintenance to mechanical precision, is executed with expert attention. The Softail frame delivers a smooth, comfortable ride, while the iconic heritage design, including leather saddlebags and classic styling cues, makes it a true head-turner. Perfect for riders seeking a dependable, well-kept Harley with character and longevity, this Heritage Softail offers a blend of performance, craftsmanship, and timeless appeal. 2011 Harley-Davidson Softail CVO. Price: $9,500. Mileage: 11,000 miles. Location: Lauderhill, Florida. A powerful 2011 Harley-Davidson Softail CVO, this bike is built for riders who crave performance and style. Equipped with a strong 110 CI engine, it delivers impressive torque, smooth acceleration, and the unmistakable Harley rumble. With 11,000 miles and a clean Florida title, it remains mechanically solid but needs some love to restore its full glory. The striking red finish enhances the bike's bold presence, making it a standout on the road. Perfect for enthusiasts looking for a high-performance Softail at a great value, this CVO offers classic Harley craftsmanship, raw power, and the opportunity to customize and care for a true American machine. 1999 Harley-Davidson Dyna Wide Glide. Price: $4,500. Mileage: 7,210 miles. Location: Corydon, Indiana. A classic 1999 Harley-Davidson Dyna Wide Glide, this bike combines iconic Harley styling with low mileage and strong performance. Featuring a vibrant orange custom paint job, It stands out on the road with bold presence and timeless chopper lines. With only 7,210 miles and a clean title in hand, the bike is mechanically sound and ready to ride, complete with a new battery for dependable starts. Its manual transmission delivers the authentic Harley experience, offering smooth control and that signature V-twin rumble. Ideal for collectors or riders seeking a stylish, low-mileage Dyna, this wide glide blends classic charm, reliability, and head-turning aesthetics in one accessible package. 2010 Honda Fury. Price: $4,000, OBO. Location: Star City, Arkansas. A sleek 2010 Honda Fury, this bike offers classic chopper styling with modern reliability. Equipped with a fuel-injected V-twin engine, it provides smooth power delivery and comfortable cruising performance. The bike comes with brand new tires and has been recently serviced, with detailed receipts from the original owner documenting its care. Owned for just over a year and lightly ridden, it remains in good condition, offering a solid, dependable ride. With its low-maintenance setup, aggressive styling, and comfortable ergonomics, the Honda Fury is perfect for riders looking for a stylish, affordable cruiser ready to hit the road. 2005 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883. Price: $3,995. Mileage: 12,728 miles. Location: Youngstown, Ohio. A dependable 2005 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883, this bike combines classic Harley styling with low mileage and solid performance. With only 12,728 miles, it runs and rides great, offering smooth power delivery from its reliable 883 cubic centimeters V-twin engine. The sleek black exterior highlights the Sportster's timeless design, while its manual transmission provides an engaging, authentic Harley riding experience. Priced affordably, this motorcycle is perfect for riders looking for a low-mileage, well-maintained Harley that's ready to hit the road. Ideal for both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts, the Sportster 883 offers classic style, dependable performance, and the iconic Harley-Davidson rumble. 2004 Custom Pro Street Chopper. Price: $7,500, OBO. Mileage: very low miles. Location: Emmett, Idaho. A head-turning 2004 Custom Pro Street Chopper, built for riders who appreciate raw power and true custom craftsmanship. This bike features Bourget wheels and handlebars, giving it an aggressive stance and premium custom bike presence. Power comes from a 113 CISNS Super Sidewinder engine paired with a Baker's 6-speed transmission and a Primo Rivera clutch, delivering strong, smooth acceleration with dependable performance. With very low miles and a like-new condition, it has been well cared for and is ready to ride or show. Bold, muscular, and unmistakably custom, this Pro Street Chopper offers serious value for anyone looking to own a unique, high-performance machine that stands out everywhere it goes. 001 Harley-Davidson Softail. Price, $5,000. Mileage, 3,000 miles. Location, Brentwood, California. A heavily built 2001 Harley-Davidson Softail that delivers raw attitude and serious performance. This bike has been pumped up with compression release heads, a big cam, and straight pipes, giving it a deep, aggressive exhaust note and strong throttle response. With only 3,000 miles and just 2 owners, it's been lightly ridden and carefully maintained. The brown finish adds a custom, old-school look, while upgraded MotoGadget controls bring a modern, high-quality touch to the cockpit. Blending classic Softail styling with performance-focused upgrades, this Harley is perfect for riders who want a powerful, custom-feel bike at a great value, built to be heard, seen, and enjoyed every time it hits the road.